Hello guys, welcome to my Boeing 737 home cockpit. I'm currently in an online flight from the Austrian Virtual from Menorca to Faro in Portugal. I want to give you a short update with this video. What was going on the last couple of months where there were no updates. Let's start. We're currently sitting in our captain seat. As you can see, the cockpit is nearly finished rebuilding, but not finished building. We've installed a beamer, only one for the time, but it will make it for now. All the systems are updated with the latest ProSim version. The first officer main instrument panel is currently built out, and it's been reworked because I've got the main panel DU switches where I can now change the main panel screens for the independent for the first officer and for the captain side. So in case of a malfunction of any screen, you have there a lot of possibilities to check. You can also switch back on the lower DU, for example, navigation display, which will update shortly.
If there's anything we can do to make your trip more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. Now I'd like you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
So basically we have now in the lower DU, in case of any malfunction of our navigation display, certain navigation display which is powered from our side here. Of course, also the baro settings are only powered from the captain side because the first officer is still missing, but as 99.9% I'm flying alone, it's not required on my high purchase list. New is the 6-pack you might already seen in the on the blog or on the Facebook page. The throttle has not changed, also the pedestal has not changed at all. I will now roll back with my seat. The seat is also currently in the works, so from some wooden plates I've built the seat, I have to resize it from the high to get the correct angle. If we move now backwards, you can see the overhead is in place as it should be, and new is also the after overhead panel now. So, and the little gimmick I've built in, where also I've connected all the backlights from the switches themselves to my 12-volt power source, to the 5-volt power source. So I have the starting of the backlight. Well, as you can see, all other backlights is missing. With the after overhead panel, you see for example, the present position. You can switch it over to the wind information and the heading and track information. I have to pull the little trick because with CYOG it's not possible to send a variable, a letter and numbers into one variable. So the N and the E is always fixed in my setup because I'm 99% I'm flying in Western Europe. So I will not cross either the north-south section or the east-west section. Or when I'm doing some cross-the-bond flying maybe in the future, it's not on my high to-do list. Another thing we've started is the shell. So if I move back there now, you can see there the entry door, which is still missing. Maybe in the future there will be a door also placed in. The shell on the left side and the shell on the right side are also still open now. That we will start to finish in the next couple of weeks to get this done. Another nice thing that I want, then when the right side from the planking is finished there, the weight compass display will be placed up here as it should be in real. Yeah, that's the current status of the project. I hope you enjoyed the update video, and I will now continue my online flight into Faro. I think I will be there in 1 hour and a couple of minutes to have there hopefully a safe and good landing with my cockpit. One other last thing to mention: as soon as I started the overhead project, the APU cog was never built in, so I built it now my own. I've glued a small servo with an power glue onto the back plate and opened the drill to fix it with the servo pointer, and then placed the nice needle. I got one left from Open Cockpits from the overhead panel, because there was already the gog for the pressor in there, and I've also included the temperature gauge, but this has still the standard needle from the servo, but it's fine for the beginning. The next one will be the temperature, fuel temperature gauge, and then of course the brake pressure gauge on the first officer side. Okay, now I'm really finished. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the updates that I gave you, and thanks for watching.